Hello everybody. Sorry for not uploading for a while, but somebody tried to spoil all my work to a Chinese hacker. Totally not a made-up excuse. Today, I will be unboxing the 72nd scale Hobby Boss 2S19M2 model kit. This is my first Hobby Boss kit, and for sure MOT my last. Inside the box, there is a catalog from 2022. That sounds old, but FX sells kits from 1970 and 1960. Let's look inside the box. First, we have upper side of the box. I meant turret. It's wrapped in a plastic bag and has this polystyrene wrapping too. It's meant to protect the fragile antenna. Next, we have the tracks. They come molded in one piece, with the inner side of the road wheels and the middle of the drive sprocket. Next, we have the upper side of the hull, with the side skirts. This piece looks very nice. Now, we have the lower hull piece, wrapped all around in polystyrene. Next, we have the first true sprue. Inside the bag, there also is an additional sprue part with some handles. The main sprue has other parts like the gun. The last sprue has the lower part of the turret and the recipe of the road wheels. Inside the box, there also is the instruction booklet. The diagrams are easy to follow and good looking. I also think that the booklet format is far more better than the folded paper one. Last but not least, we have the decal sheet. The decals look good, but I am unsure if I will use them. Here is a better look at the pieces inside the bags.